Hello, welcome to another language class. Today is Monday, so we are starting a new week of class. Today is Monday, August 21st, 2020. I hope you and yours are fine at home, so I'm sending a lot of blessings to you. Today is Monday, I said, and tomorrow is Tuesday. But the thing is that today is the last day of the month of August. Tomorrow we are going to start a new month. So, what we are going to do today is that last week we were working just with exercise thing 8 of book page 78. So today we are going to work with exercise thing B. Thing B, page book 78. And the instruction says that you're going to rewrite the following sentences adding the necessary punctuation. So rewrite is to write again the same thing but in a correct way and with the necessary punctuation. So in the number 1 we have Bedford, Indiana. Bedford, Indiana. So we have here two names of places. When you know that when we're talking about one state and we are going talking about one city, we separate both names with a comma. So we're going to rewrite it and we're going to have Bedford, Indiana. In the number 2, C.T. Stahl was a great missionary. C.T. are last names from this name. And we always separate with period the initials of the last names. So, in the number 2, we're going to write C period. T period. Stahl was a great missionary. Very good. Number 3. Mom packed a sandwich, chips, apple and brownie in my lunch. Does it have sense? I don't think so. Why? Because here we have a group of words. A group of words that are related to one specific topic. And in this case, is the topic of food. So, sandwich is food, chips is food, apple is food, and brownie is food also. All of them are food, but the thing is that they are together. So we're going to separate one by one to identify each one of them. So we're going to write Mom packed a sandwich, chips, apple, and brownie in my lunch. So now we have this series of words separated with commas. Number 4. Mr. Nathan A. Garcia. So here we have one initial. After one initial and after the title of respect, we always use period. Mr., Mrs., Miss, Reverend. Those are titles of respect. So you're going to use period after that. So you're going to write Mr. period Nathan A. period Garcia. Number 5. Michael, come here, please. Michael, come here, please. Why? Because we use comma after the name of the person about who is talking in the sentence. And the last one is the number 6. Yes, we do have a pecan tree. What is missing here? A comma. Yes. After yes or after no in a sentence, we always use comma. If the word yes or if the word no is at the beginning of the sentence, we're going to use comma. So, yes, comma, we do have a pecan tree. Now, your homework. Homework, it's on book page 79. And here we have the address envelope. What you're going to do is that you are going to write the correct information in the correct place. If you don't remember what you have to do, you can find the information in the page 71. On page 71, you already have an example of envelope, of address envelope. So you're going to write from and to. From, who is sending the letter. To, who is going to receive the letter. But in what place are you going to put the correct information? Tomorrow I'm going to check that. So please work on that, and tomorrow I'm going to check if you have the correct answer. That was everything for today's language class. See you until next class. That means tomorrow. Bye. Blessings. Take care. And sending a lot of kisses and hugs.